Hello, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. Today, we're gonna be cooking something that I didn't make up, that I don't know, but I caught, what did I title it? Chicken a la Babe.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So we went to the farmer's market recently. We got some really high quality ingredients that I'm gonna show you in a minute. And Babe did her own research, and we're gonna make an easy Monday night chicken cream sauce type dish. Right, Babe?
Yeah, I think it'll be good.
So if you're new to the channel and you haven't checked out our other videos, we have a lot of different cooking videos. We've taken to some home cooking, some travel vlogs and different stuff like that. We invite you to snoop around our channel and check it out. And if you're returning, thank you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for leaving us comments and stuff like that. This is our little hobby, so we appreciate that. So without further ado,
here we go.
Here we go!
So we are doing this video tonight because we went to the farmer's market on Saturday, and we got this free-range chicken that was actually slaughtered on Thursday. On Thursday, so it's really fresh. Today's Monday.
Now go like this and go. That was what it was doing on Thursday. And now it's in Babe's kitchen.
Yes.
What else did we get at the farmer's market, Babe?
We also got some artichoke salad, which is kind of yummy. And we got some fresh little cherry tomatoes. So the reason I want to do this chicken is because I want to use the things that I got there. I think it'll be yummy. I'm doing spinach, artichokes, cherry tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes in a cream sauce with cheese. I'm gonna do Parmesan and Romano cheese, and I'm just gonna mix it all together and cook the chicken in it. Oh, I think we're gonna put it over some tortellini. I think it'll be pretty good.
This is your own made-up creation.
Yeah, some garlic.
Awesome.
You know, salt and pepper. I think it'll be really tasty. Them on both sides, and then we're gonna put the chicken aside, and we're gonna end up putting it all in the oven to bake for the rest of it, so we don't have to cook it all the way.
And remember, we let the chicken sit out a little bit, because if you cook chicken cold, it will not get done in the middle, and then it will be dried out on the edge, and it just won't be. So you gotta let it sit out on the counter for a minute to kind of bring it up to temperature. 25 minutes at 325, maybe 30 minutes. Well, Babe is back there peeling garlic for that. Chicken almost needs to be flipped. We do want to give a shout out to two new channels that we recently stumbled upon in the YouTube kind of cooking community. I think it's Smoking and Grilling with AB. We like his stuff. And Robert Roy. Especially some of the Blackstone grill type stuff. We like it. So anyways, check those two channels out. Smoking and Grilling with AB and Robert Roy. Good job to both of you, and we like your stuff. So, oh, you flipped it, Babe.
So I'm gonna put in what's left.
What happened, Babe?
These artichoke hearts. I love artichoke hearts so much, so I'll just snack on these.
Let me get this. We bought this at the farmer's market also.
You didn't even try a bite of it?
No.
Here, try a little bite.
I'm trying to get a little filmy film of it.
Yummy?
Okay, good.
I'm gonna dump this whole baby in.
What kind of cheese is that? Let me see.
This is the Parmesan Romano Asiago. We have more over here. So this is gonna thicken that cream up and give it that like little bit of bite.
Because we're all about health tonight, apparently.
Next up are some sun-dried tomatoes. I was really trying to use things that we had also, along with the stuff we got from farmer's market. And I mean, you can't really go wrong with sun-dried tomatoes.
So, how long have we been trying to do home cooking, babe? Like a year and a half?
That we've been doing videos?
Yeah, well, yeah, like, so for like the last year and a half, Babe and I have really been trying to focus on doing more home cooking. Most of which is actually pretty healthy. Sometimes we go a little crazy like tonight and we do, you know, these cream stuff. But if you snoop around on our channel, you'll find everything from, you know, beef dishes, chicken dishes, a couple cocktail recipes, different stuff like that. We try and do at least one healthy to one unhealthy meal. So, and we like to do a lot of meal prepping and stuff. So, anyways, back to cooking.
Spinach. So we have our farmer's market cherry tomatoes. These things are like candy when you eat them. They're so good. So sweet. I'm gonna drop some in there. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm. Look at this.
Woo, it's hot! That looks, well, it smells fantastic.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be good.
Do you need assistance, babe?
Holy moly, I need like a forklift to get this thing out. Right, so we gotta test it and make sure the chicken's done. The thickest part. Looks pretty done to me.
Chicken a la Babe.
Okay. It's hot. How is it?
That is really good, babe.
It is?
Yeah.
As long as you're eating your dinner. Mmm.